Hey everyone, welcome back to Automiac, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of cars. If you're a fan of muscle cars, American classics, or just raw power on four wheels, then you're in the right place. Be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any updates. Now, let's get into it. The Pontiac Firebird is back for 2025, and it's making waves in the automotive world. After years of speculation, leaks, and rumors, Pontiac enthusiasts finally have something to celebrate. The 2025 Firebird brings back the aggressive styling, high-performance engineering, and American muscle car legacy that made it a legend. But is it everything we hoped for? Let's dive in and find out. First, let's talk about the design. The 2025 Firebird stays true to its heritage while embracing modern aesthetics. It features a low-slung body, sharp lines, and that signature split grille that fans love. The LED headlights have a sleek, futuristic look, and the sculpted hood hints at the beast hiding underneath. Of course, no Firebird would be complete without the iconic Firebird emblem, which proudly sits on the front and rear of the car. Under the hood, the Firebird packs serious power. Pontiac has equipped it with a 6.2-liter supercharged V8, pushing out an estimated 700 horsepower. That's right, this beast is built to dominate the streets and the track. It comes with both a 6-speed manual and an optional 10-speed automatic transmission, catering to both purists and those looking for a smoother ride. The 0 to 60 time, just under 3.5 seconds. That's muscle car performance at its finest. Inside, and let's not forget about the technology. Inside the cabin, the Firebird is all about driver experience. A fully digital instrument cluster, a massive infotainment screen, and an advanced heads-up display keep you connected and in control. The interior is lined with premium leather, carbon fiber accents, and ergonomic bucket seats that keep you locked in during high-speed maneuvers. Pontiac has also integrated an advanced driver assistance system to balance power with safety, featuring adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system. But what about handling? The 2025 Firebird isn't just about straight lineal speed. It's built for performance. It features a track-tuned suspension, Brembo brakes, and an advanced rear-wheel drive system that gives it incredible grip and control. Whether you're tearing up the highway or taking it to the track, this car delivers an adrenaline-packed experience. Now, let's talk price. The base model is expected to start around $60,000, while the high-performance trims with all the bells and whistles could go up to $90,000. It's not cheap, but for the performance, design, and nostalgia factor, it's worth every penny. So, is the 2025 Pontiac Firebird the ultimate muscle car revival? It sure looks like it. With its stunning design, raw power, and modern tech, Pontiac has delivered something truly special. But we want to hear from you. What do you think about the return of the Firebird? Would you buy one? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the 2025 Pontiac Firebird, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. We've got plenty more content coming your way, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.